So this video is going to show you how to turn on real captioning in Chrome. It's real time and live, and it'll work on any video that is played in your Chrome browser. This is an experimental plugin, but it's tested and it does work. So the first thing you want to do is go to your Chrome browser and type in Chrome://flags. And then you want to search for caption, and it'll pull up live caption. And you just want to switch it from disabled to enabled. And then it'll let you know that you need to restart your Chrome browser. Once you restart the browser, then you're going to want to go to the three dots on the right-hand side and go down to settings. And then go over to the left and go to advanced and accessibility. And then you should see the live caption option under accessibility, and you can toggle that on. You may need to restart your browser again. And once you restart the browser again, if you go to Ensemble, for example, and you go to play video, talk about setting up quizzes with optional questions. A common way to design an exam is to get the auto captioning shows up at the bottom. Super simple, couple steps, couple reboots, but very handy, something that we've been trying to find a solution for a long time. If you have questions, feel free to reach out and we can help you walk through the steps to get it set up for your browser.